as you are, he'll take you. If you're naked, he will clothe you. If your eyes are filled with tears, he'll wipe them dry. Come as you are, he's waiting. There's no time for hesitating. He's knocking at your door, won't you let him come inside? Just bow your head as you're kneeling and let him begin his healing. And let his peace keep your heart and mind. Just pick up your cross and follow Jesus, for it's his blood that truly frees us. Just look straight ahead and forget what you left behind. God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him will be another chosen one. They shall not perish, but have life everlasting. That's a lot to offer just for believing. For the losers and the winners, oh, and he died for the just beginners. He died for the ones who are always asking why. So come as you are, he's waiting. There's no time for hesitating. He's knocking at your door, won't you let him come inside? For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him will be another chosen one. And they shall not perish, but have life everlasting. That's a lot to offer just for believing. Come as you are, he's waiting. There's no time for hesitating. He's knocking at your door, won't you let him come inside? Won't you let him come inside?